Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat Pdiang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rashapi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Warla ke Sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance, kalakam bakalapha ya ke Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Amendment Ordinance. Arajar ke khanda shaulat ke Jylla utatha gata roy nagabanta bunyo soy penskam yakani ke ordinance hendai nakalang ulat ke Jylla hakni kran bat kinong pathai kubor haka khatlai terek mentau naiweng arajar ke khandai ulai tho ba umpat yo Pdiang satya yakani ke ordinance hadu menta kajing shim ya karai da ke Sorkar Jylla banonra da ke ordinance halor ke Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Amendment 2019 kalong bat penklan chuchu ikibniat jongkani ka an hakabai dai bat kajing perkheng ye karung kami jong ki breu ki bana bar Jylla ki bawan rong shau pot usam jongkani ka Jylla Meghalaya kat hadu menta ka Sorkar Jylla kampatla ban pentreka yakani ka an namar bakadang ab ban soi shua daulat ka Jylla.
There are two things to the entire thing. It has to go to the governor, and the governor has to give his assent to it. Then after that, the system, the technology which we're talking about, through which the registration will take place, is being prepared. So therefore, that registration process, once we are ready with that, then we'll roll it out. So therefore, it will take some time for it to be at the ground level, but it's not that it's going to take months and months. We're hopeful that very soon we'll be able to get this rolling. But our technology partners are working on it. We hope to get results very fast. What's very important to know and realize that people are maybe to some extent not understanding the entire concept of this. It's a registration process. You have to register with us, and this registration is something that can be simply done online also. And I've told people again and again that tomorrow, suppose you go to Guwahati or you go to Bombay, you are being asked to register in the hotel. You have to give your ID card in the hotel. You have to give your name and details. It's that same process, but it's going to be online, and there'll be an option to be registered before you enter the school. Otherwise, while you're checking the hotel, you can wait. It's a very simple process. We're making it online, and we're making the option of pre-registering, and that requires a technological intervention, and we are in the process of doing it.
Till about 11 o'clock in the morning, our office, the Governor's Secretariat, has not received any papers. So I'm unable to comment on this.
What is your mindset on the new ordinance passed by the government, putting restriction on entry?
Until I have seen that ordinance, the draft of that ordinance, I can say nothing.